purple is better. Green is worse.
Your better, buddy.
Yeah, there's wind.
Okay. It's 6. I'm excited. Find a plant called lupine. Lupine have leaves and clusters that are shaped like a palm of a hand and purple flowers.
Native people in this land had practice of collecting elderberries and boiling them and cooking them down and making like syrup, making other tonics, because elderberry has a lot of medicinal properties as well.
Oh, beautiful.
But sometimes, like, in order to get it off, they go and rub on all the trees. So if you look for scratch marks like this, that's a sign that an elk was rubbing on it. Did anyone find the huckleberry box yesterday?
Yeah.
Those are the huckleberry. Yeah, check out, it's got its huckleberry friend.
Citrus stuff.
Yeah, getting all those nutrients, and a huckleberry is going to be really strong. So you can see, this was a giant ant mound at one point. Check out this thatch ant mound when you come by.
Not yet.
Sounds like what kind of bird does that sound?
Owl. Owl.
Good.
Nice. Look at this. Yeah. I like it. Oh. We can get Lucy, I'm like